Hey you guys, today we are reviewing this Luxviss moisturizing cream and I am super excited to show you guys this. Shout out to the brand for sending this over for me to do a review. So I'm going to open this up so we can see how it looks like. And let's just smell. I'm going to see here. Didn't seem to have like any scent at all, but let's see if maybe this is closed here. Actually, it is open. So this is how it looks like. It's almost got kind of a dewy ivory cream to it. And there is no smell, so I do like that there is like no fragrance or scent or anything in case you have sensitive skin. It does say that is for all skin type. I love that this is for anti-aging, anti-wrinkle. So I'm just gonna put this on my hand just to show you guys, see if we feel any type of effect right away, but it's actually very, very cooling. And it feels really nice. It doesn't like, obviously you want to test yourself on your skin first before you put it on your face, but so far I like it. I love that there's no fragrance to it. So if you're looking for an anti-aging, anti-wrinkle moisturizing lotion or cream for your face, I highly recommend you guys check out this brand by Luxviss.